To the person who knows me better than anyone else, I'm so grateful for the friendship today and always. You're not just my best friend, you're my chosen family. You've been there through it all, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Our friendship is a gift I cherish every day. Bisag dili ta mag-communicate every day, I know na you have your own family, busy ka kaayo, pero we still remain as friends. Our friendship is very strong. Bisag dili ka kaayo mag-video call, mag-text, as long as our hearts remain together, na tang pareho nato nga accept ang atong friendship at making us stronger more than, bisag waray ko diha physically. I'm so very grateful and thankful na imo kong napili as your friend ever. You're more than blessed for having beautiful, pretty, and handsome children. Such an amazing person, and I really, really miss you, Dai. You know that, and especially ikaw yung friend na sobrang madaldal, tapos funny, tapos kalog, yun. Yun ang sobrang na-miss ko sa'yo, Dai. Tapos, and also, dili ka maubusan og idea in terms sa mga pagkaon. Yeah. You're such a very talented person in terms of baking. Yeah. And I miss that so much. And also, you deserve all the happiness in the world. And yeah, cheers. Cheers, Dai, to cheers sa another years of adventure and unforgettable memories. And I hope your birthday is as amazing as you are. And I hope you have many, many more birthdays to come. And happiness, of course, for being generous, for being one of the most loyal person. And I'm so happy for being your friend. Thank you, Dai, and I wish you all the best in life and happiness, healthy lang lagi, fun, and life is so short, Dai, so I have to say thank you. Thank you very much, and happy birthday, Dai. Bye.
Birthday Titen, we love you.
Happy birthday, Ten.
Happy birthday, Tinay. Thank you for everything. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to a very special person to us. Thank you for being our angel and always looking out our family.
Hello Ate Tin, happy birthday and God bless you always and your family. Miss you Ate Tin.
Happy birthday, Tita Christine. Wishing you a successful and joyful moment with your family and friends. God bless you.
Tin, happy birthday.
Tin, happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, salamat.
Kuan kasi yung birthday, malipayon ka. Tagaan ka sa Ginoong may lawas nga karunay ka makapanarbaho. Salamat ko sa Ginoo nga magmalipayon mo yung mga pamilya. Nga matagaan po sa Ginoong may lawas yung pamilya. O gayong ba na si Peret, nga tagaan po sa Ginoong may lawas. Si Graham, kuan mo na si Graham.
Ang kabataan, no?
Diyan sa Ginoo. Nga ang Ginoo mag-uban sa imo sa imong panarbaho. Tagaan kag may lawas sa Diyos. Happy birthday, Tin. Happy birthday. Hindi lang ko magkanta. Kaya ko magugog tingog na wala. Sige, Tin, salamat, Tin.
Basta may sarili, kung ano siya,
Hinaot
disturb ba na.
unta nga ang Ginoo maghatag sa atong main lawas nga kami pod nagkanunay pamitaga main lawas sa Ginoo nga magkita-kita patag mga bakasyon mo ari. Salamat. Salamat Lord.
Ina?
Daghang salamat Lord pag malipayog kitin kanunay.
25
Salamat sa Ginoo.
Na?
Salamat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi BFF, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. You're getting old. Sorry we're not able to attend your birthday party. Tom can't travel far, and it's very hard for him to walk. He needed a wheelchair all the time. So anyway, we wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have a good time. More blessings to come. Stay safe. Love you. See you soon. Hopefully. Bye. Go on. Okay, go on.
Happy birthday, Christine.
40th.
Happy 40th birthday, Christine. Sorry we're not there. You say something.
Happy birthday to Tintin! Happy birthday to Tintin! Happy birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday, Tintin! Anak Tintin! Happy birthday, Tintin! Love you!
Hello, happy birthday, Day Christine. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy your special day. God bless.